Fire. Ones that travel. That's why he was like, oh, we're gonna go flying, and I was like, okay, well, I'm supposed to pick someone up, and then he was like, oh my god, and I was like, what? They're in Little Atlanta, aren't they?
A lot of them are from and they fly
there's a lot of
really
bandos.
cool spots in Atlanta, and this reminds us
Of those spots. I'm trying to help you. Remember, he's tall, black hair. He used to fly hella fast with everybody.
Anthony? No, he used to do that. No, Anthony.
Fuck is a tree? Oh my god. It was all static there. Oh my god. You got one more. Yeah, he's done.
Calva music. just leaning more into cover music. He calls his sound new club waves. New club waves. New club waves. New club waves.
Yeah, makes a difference, huh? Yeah, even Spence got that polar camera. That was real good.
I think so. I'm staying mostly on the end where the
Store the cat sleep on the bread.
Lost Boys.
No mood for discussion. You stay. The rest of you why don't you make like a tree and get the fuck out of here?
8. Oh shit, I forgot about that one. 9. 9?
Well, Greenlee's up getting coffee. Anybody else want anything?
Shit.
Ay, caramba.
I go for the win.
I'm trying to hit the road by tomorrow. I told the girl I can swim in the water. They trying to paint a picture of a nigga like I got a problem. Cracker trying to lock a nigga up. Soon I touch down in Broward. Gotta take the rap off the Maybach cause I don't wanna be followed. They already know it's me, can't roll the piece. I ain't trying to be bothered. I ain't never had no daddy. I been calling Brad my father. He more to me than a lawyer. He there every time I call him. Even though he white, he give me advice. I ain't learned from the streets. I be trying to do right, but the police be trying to embarrass me. Another mud shot. Here they go laughing at a nigga pain. Trying to run my fans away. They slandering a nigga name. Fuck 'em. Been out here all my life. I'm stuck and they wanna see me keep the bucket for all the shit I had to put up with. All that shit that made me talk. I wanna tell the bitch I love her, but she get too crazy. I'm second guessing. Should I let this little bitch have my baby? I'ma set up a booby trap in a trap house just in case they raid it. I got a little monkey on my back. I'ma take Percocet daily. You need me, I shoot straight and I don't do no faking. If I was on the run, would you let me duck off in your basement, huh? I make a mistake, don't bring a trunk. They pull it over, they don't land and fuck. They ain't find a pistol, ain't find a punch. All the shit in the trunk. I know they wanna see me sunk. You gas, I'm smoking feet as fuck. When I run down the Peter Rip, when I run down the Peter Rip, the highs on something. Need a sunset. I know when they point their fingers at every time they need a suspect. And I hate your Scarface. I keep a flag around the mustache. I'ma send a nigga unlat. Throw his babies in the lumber. Man, I guess I'm a drug lord. Got caught with a few pills I got a prescription for. Bitch, y'all know I got shot a few months ago. Bitch, I know that little shit was so petty, y'all could've let me go. All the good that I do for the hood, the charity's getting pumping up. You never see a thug nigga that's drug dealer like me again. Grave digger, big brain splitter. Fuck the cop I leaving in. Fuck me a CO, I love my pills. She know I be trying to shit. Sometimes I feel like trying to quit. Tell everybody to suck my dick. You know I be trying to shit. Sometimes I feel like trying to quit. Tell everybody to suck my dick.
This man's in a tree.
Bye.